Welcome to my vlog. It's Mayora. Welcome to my vlog. It's Mayora. Hi guys, good evening. Guys, mag-unboxing po tayo ngayon ng aking gift. No? It's like how many days pass is today is 10. Guys, 19 days. 19 days, guys. Hindi ko pa po nabuksan dahil sa sobrang busy. Busy po sa work. Kaya ito po, mag-unboxing tayo ng ating gift. Okay, lagay muna natin ito sa baba. Ito, dito pala to sa loob. Okay. Dito pala to. God. Thank you so much sa mga nagbigay, guys. It's, ito guys, unahin natin. From Abiba Hiba Cristo. Ano po siya guys? Ito yan. It's my colleague. She is a hairdresser. Wow, guys, it's a bracelet. Ayun. It's a 925 silver bracelet. Ito guys. Lagay natin dito. Thank you, Abby. You are so kind. Bawi na lang guys si Mayora. Ito guys. Ito guys, yes. 925 silver. Thank you, Abby, sa gift. And this is from, ano guys, walang pangalan pero alam ko sino bibigay. From Fatima Chakabi. She is a Moroccan guys and also our hairdresser. She gave me this one guys for Moroccan lofa. Ito guys, ginagamit sa Moroccan bath. Ikukus ko sa katawan. Ay, sakit! Masyadong rough siya guys, oh. Yan. Ang kasama niya is sabon. Ayun guys. Moroccan magic. Sabor de Moroccan. Ito guys, galing sa Morocco. Binigay niya to guys kasi alam niya, mahilig daw ako magpa-Moroccan. So, she bought this one for me. Ito guys, oh. Guys, ito yung lamisa ko, oh. Yan, ano ako guys, mababang lamisa. Ayan. Ayan. It's Moroccan soap guys. Ito yung ginagamit. Tapos, babasahin ka ng mainit na tubig. Tapos, kukuskusin. Ayun. Ito, wow. Guys, ribbon pa lang, panalo na. Hindi ko po alam kung kanino galing. Pero thank you so much. Babuksan ko baka my name. Ay, from Ate Rose. Wow, so sweet. Okay. Ay, basahin natin. September 21, 2023. Dearest Mayora, happiest birthday. Ate Rosie, may this day of yours will be filled of joy and happiness. More candle to blow and wishing you Mary daw. Okay. But friendship is the breathing rose with sweets in every fold. Oliver Wendell Worm. Ano ba yan? Ang dami guys. Hindi ko alam kung kanino galing to. I think from Jorian. All the best in your life. Thank you for always being nice to me, and I always like your fierce personality. Never be sorry for being true. Enjoy your depo rain. Yes, guys. Hindi talaga ako magsasorry. My fault or not my fault? Sorry, but I'm not being sorry. Thank you. Reina Rain. Thank you. She is so creative. With chocolate. And, wow, ang dami-dami naman. Guys, rose. Siya. Body wash. Wow. Ayan, guys, may panghugas ako sa katawan ko. Ayan. Ito. Funk Blooms. Ayan. Cologne. Thank you so much, Rain. You know me and I know you. Yun nga. Hindi nga talaga ako magsusorry. Never sorry for being true. Yes. Parang ano lang yan eh. I love the way you lie. Yeah. Ayan guys. Ito pa. Wow. Shampoo. Biotin Collagen Shampoo and Conditioners. Ayan. Thank you so much. See? It's take 19 days guys bago ko nabuksan yung gift dahil sobrang busy si Mayora. I have this. Okay. Ano daw to guys, yung lalagay sa phone. So ilalagay natin dyan sa phone natin mamaya. Ginagamit pa natin yung ating phone. And just may nakita na ako guys. Ay! Okay. So nice. Ano daw? Just roll with it. Just roll with it. Ayun guys. Sa table. Ayun. Ayun guys, oh. Tinan si Renren. Ayan. Ayan pa. Si Renren guys. Thank you so much Renren. Okay. And next, this is from happiest birthday Mayora, Rosie Posey. I hope your special day gives you everything your naughty heart desire. Wow, naughty daw guys yung heart ko, hindi naman naughty. May your birthday be filled with many amazing surprises. Love you, maganda Saskia. Guys, si Saskia she is from India, and I told her always that she is my cousin because she is Fernandez and I'm also Fernandez, but her Fernandez is with S and my Fernandez is with Z. So, Saskia, thank you so much. Ayan, oh. Yes. Siya yung aking glitter body, guys, pag gumagawa kami ng activities. So, this is her gift. Saskia, I love it. I love the color. It's pink. Pinky, guys. Oh, so big. Hindi ko kayo napalitan. 38 pala, but it's fine. I will use in the house. In my mansion. So, it's fine. Guys. Thank you, Saskia. And this is another one from here also. Thank you so much. So with this, wow. Ayan guys. Thank you. Pabango. It's moisturizing body lotion. Ito ga, moisturizing body lotion. Yan, ang bango. Then, Samantha body spray for perfume. Ayan, guys. Ayan, spray natin para babango tayo. Amoy nyo, guys. Okay. Oh! Wow! I love the smell. And this is the one. Ano to? Samantha perfume. Body spray. Wow, may body spray pa guys, oh. Ayan. Ayan, isa guys. And that's all. Wow. Oh! I have another one. Oh guys, I forgot from home. It's a surprise. Mayora, may you receive the greatest of joy and everlasting bliss. You are a gift yourself, and you desire the best of everything. Happy birthday, Armin. Oh, Miss Armin, thank you so much. Siya guys yung aming in charge. Ito yung binigay niya. Talaga naman. Miss, thank you so much. Ito guys, eyeshadows. Hala, Miss, namastos ka pa talaga. Yan guys. Oh! Ayan. Ay, ang ganda naman, guys. It's, wow. Guys, tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, it's hikaw. Thank you so much, Miss. Alam nila, guys, sinabi ko na hanggang ngayon hindi ko pa nabubuksan because I don't want to open without vlogging. So, Miss Armin, the Chavez, thank you so much. And I have one more, guys. Wow, thank you. From my sister. She's giving me this. Ayan guys, it's a bag. Nilagay ko na dito sa taas. Ayan. Guys, ito yung guys, oh. Fabula ata yun. Fabula guys. Ayan. Guys, thank you so much for giving all these things. I love you so much. And Ayun, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Wala na akong masabi guys. Kundi salamat na salamat. God bless us all. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you for watching. At 49. Guys, 49. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Ring the bell. Like, shares, and comment.